Hello everyone and welcome to BlenderWorks. In this session, we will learn how to make a wax procedural texture. So let's get started. So this is a candle and we can observe that there is no specific texture that we can see like a wave or Musgrave, noise or Voronoi. All we have is a creamish white color of the wax. So for textures like this, there is a separate approach. Let's see how to do that. For the wax, we will add in the diffuse shader. The diffuse shader will give that diffused kind of color, and it's different from the normal base color which we generally use. And also I will add in a glossy shade, and with the help of mix shader, I will combine both and add it to the material output. Just like this. And I will decrease the factorial to 0.25. So this looks better now. And for the wax effect, I will add in a node called subsurface scattering. So if you add this and connect the node to surface, you can see we have this wax looking kind of texture already in our monkey face. So I will duplicate the mix shader node and add in the subsurface scattering as first shader, just like this. And now all that's left is to change the color of our wax. So I will go in here and you can change the color of the wax for all the three nodes: diffuse, glossy and subsurface scattering. But instead of that, I will go in and add in a RGB node. So what this will do is, if I connect the color node to all of the three nodes like this, I don't have to select the color for individual nodes. I just have to select the color in this RGB node and it will give the value of the colors to the other nodes. So this is quite a handy trick. I will give the wax a creamish white color, and now if we render it, it will look something like this. So as you can see, we don't always require the noise, Voronoi, Musgrave textures for making a procedural node. So this is basically how you make a wax procedural node in Blender. I hope you learned something from it. Make sure to subscribe the channel and I will see you in the next one.